good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got the birds around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like
There you go.
life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Life is good.
Whichever one is fed better, even better food, is probably going to win. We're nurturing our entire self, our human being in a holistic manner. So that is, why I'm here, because I felt like it's really nurturing my true nature, and that the vegetarian food nurtures my body in a very healthy way, and the Tao Temple's prayers that we do on Sunday nurture my spirit, my soul, my true nature.